Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview BioGuard Pool Magnet Plus. What is BioGuard Pool Magnet Plus? BioGuard Pool Magnet Plus prevents staining due to iron, copper, and manganese. It also eliminates discolored water from metals. This product has been recently reformulated and is now more concentrated and effective than ever. Pool experts recommend that this product be used monthly in pools that hold iron-containing fill water. Product benefits: prevents and removes stains from iron, copper, and manganese. Eliminates discolored water from metals. Easy to apply, highly concentrated formula. Dosage: stain prevention. 32 fluid ounces per 10,000 gallons of water. Maintenance dose: 3 fluid ounces per 1,000 gallons of water added to the pool. Removal of fresh stains: 32 to 96 fluid ounces depending on the severity of the stain. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.